I think there are two ways of living life. I think there is the persistence, perseverance format, and I think there's the flow and fluency format.
Yeah.
The flow and fluency format, people largely classify as feminine. The persistence and perseverance format is masculine.
Yeah.
When Camus is talking about Sisyphus rolling the rock up the hill, that's the masculine existence.
Yeah.
The feminine existence is swimming with the current of the river. I don't know if there's a good metaphor for it.
Yeah.
And you alternate between the two.
Yeah.
Over masculization eventually has improper, unhappy endings to itself, right?
Yeah.
What I learned from my dad, because my dad's very similar to yours, it sounds like.
Yeah.
What I learned from him is, when you come home, be a kid. Don't be a man when you're in. मतलब एक बार तुम घर आ गए ना, तो बकचोदी करो बच्चों के साथ, खेलो, हंसो.
I think that is the issue that I faced with my dad, because he was so he's so obsessed with his work in a positive thing,
Right.
that for him, I would say, like, my source of ambition also stems from him.
But
Because
bro, here is the irony. Sorry, I'm interrupting you. We just went on like a 20-minute sort of rant, understanding the nightmare we are living in, this sub unconscious कि ना ये exist करता है, देखो ऐसे हमें capitalist systems हैं और ये और वो. And then you tell me you idolize your father.
Yeah, a part of me idolizes my father.
What does the rest of the part do?
It idolizes other things, like, I cannot have just one ideal.
Right.
I can have many idols, like, to look up to.
And are those idols similar to your father in their perseverance format?
They're not. I saw certain parts of me idolize my mom.
Okay.
Like, certain parts of myself idolize my dad. Certain parts of myself idolize this person in my life who's, like, a loser in societal's perspective. But the fact that he's not killing himself is...
Who the fuck is that?
I
Your
can't
friend?
No, not my friend. Family only.
Achha,
But
family,
but
family,
but
okay.
the fact that he's still not killing himself and, like, taking it every day
Right.
is also one idol.